Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and this is the initial setup of the Mi Mix 2S. So, let's start the video. Show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the initial screen. Basically, you gotta choose your language, where I'm at, United States, all the way in the bottom. It's usually up top for like American phones, so it's a lot more easier for us. We're a little bit spoiled by that. Add network. So you do have the 5 GHz network here. I'm gonna set that up real quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now we're here in the terms and conditions. Checking for SIM card, you can skip that step. If you want to set up as a backup or you want to set up as new, you can do that as well. I'll set up as new and I'll see if I can back it up later. I just want to show you guys the initial setup and walkthrough. If you finally get your first Mi Mix device, and that chin right there, definitely not feeling that. See if we could just skip this and I'll add all that stuff later. Agree. On body detection, add another account. So we have the Mi Cloud, should be like iCloud, I guess. Deny, deny, deny. If you want to accept that, you can, and if you want to make a Mi account, you can do that as well. So if you guys plan on actually keeping this phone for a while, then you should be able to actually keep that if you guys want to. Fingerprint or the only screen lock, skip, and you have the additional settings here. If you guys want to read that, you definitely can. User experience, all that stuff, locations, basically a bunch of stuff that you will have no more control over if you press yes. No location access, hit no. Okay, so you're able to actually choose a theme, which is pretty cool. So you got Rhodium, default, and limitless. I'm definitely digging the background on this, so I'm gonna stay with the Rhodium. And this is my first experience with the Miui software, so let's see what happens here. Setup complete, and we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, so we're loading the apps. The screen is a little bit grayish, so you could tell that the screen is not AMOLED, and if it is AMOLED, then I apologize. I just got it to work, and that's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. So now it's just loading apps. I don't know if you guys can see that on the bottom. So it's loading the pre-installed apps and probably some Google apps. So you do have Google out the box if you guys were curious about that. This is the global version. Type C. Nice little case on there. Alright, so here you go guys. Let me see what all this stuff looks like. So we do have an update, and that should be the MIUI 10. All these little toggles. Definitely kinda reminds me of some old school ROMs that I used to rock with back in the day. Big shout out to RP3 Tech, who actually brought that up in the stream one day. Alright, so let's go into storage. Let's see how much you get out the box. So out the box you get 54.70 gigabytes of storage, which is great. So basically it's using about 10 gigs. And you do have some cache data. So if you guys want to clear that, you could clear that and get some more stuff on there if you would like to. You do have a cleaner there. This is on the left. So here are the settings that actually come here. Let's see. Well, I don't have a SIM card in there, so I can't see if the portable, there's no Wi-Fi calling. I could definitely see that. And if it is, then I probably gotta insert a SIM card and see if that works. But this is all the stuff that you get. And let's see what this update's about. MIUI will update automatically when you're not using. I just want to read this real quick. Optimization. The UI responds faster now. Now if you guys do have this phone already, then I'm looking like a complete noob to you guys, but this is definitely something new to me. This is my first mixed device. Beautiful design. Big chin on the bottom, but you got that nice top on the bottom. It kind of reminds me of the BlackBerry Key 2. See how it very similar in some ways, or maybe it's just me. that's about it, guys, for the initial settings of the Mi Mix 2S. I'm gonna definitely take this for a run. I'm gonna see what this is like. I definitely want to see if you can add the app drawer here. I mean, like, you do have the Play Store there, so you shouldn't have no problems, and your Google apps are already stored. Big shout out to Stage Tech for asking me that. So this is my first experience with the Miui. I definitely want to check it out. Big shout out to Huawei for giving me a little bit taste of something that's not HTC or Samsung. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 and more tech to come. So to the next video, guys. Peace.